What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're doing something super fun. We're drawing Krypto from Superman. And before we jump in, I want to show you my setup really quick. I've got my usual Sharpie marker for the clean lines, and I'm working on plain white 11x17 printer paper. I'll be drawing this in real time, so go at your own pace and pause when you need to. Alright, we're going to start in the center of the page with the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to draw a curve right in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bring that down on the right side. Now just underneath, we're going to add the nose. So let's start back over and left. Curve the top nose going across and then down. Let's round up the side of the nose and just pull that in towards the center across the bottom. Round up the bottom and then pull that back up towards the top. Now let's separate the mouth. We'll start with a straight line coming down the center from the nose. Then we'll draw on the left side, coming down and then bend that up. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to close off the edge with a small little bracket. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to start back on the left side, bend this in, come down, round out the mouth, go up, and then bend that out. Let's add in the tongue. We're going to start with a point in the center, and we're going to draw on the top left side by going up and then down, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the edge of the mouth along the bottom. So we're going to start on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the edge of the muzzle, go all the way around, come down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing. Draw that same size circle, going all the way around. On the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle coming in and then back out, and this is for the highlight. And then do the same thing on the right. Now before we go any further, we want to fill the inside of the eyes, the nose, and the top of the mouth in black. Let's move up above the eyes. We're going to draw the eyebrow, starting on the outside. We're going to go up and then bend that in. Line this up on the right, going across and then down. Now let's line up the bottom edge of the eyes, move up to the side and draw on the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and then down. And we're going to add a little bit of fur across the cheeks. So let's add a point, going up and then in. Let's add another point. We're just going to curl this around and down towards the bottom. And then again, we're going to add another point by just pulling this up. Let's draw the bottom of the cheek, coming down. Now we want to tuck this in behind the lip so there's a little bit of an overlap along the bottom. Now let's move up and draw the top half of the head. We're going to start on the left side, go around the eye, going straight up. And I want to bend this in toward the center of the head. And we're going to add some fur across the top. Let's start by bending this up in the middle, and then curving that back down. Now I'm going to add another one. We're just going to push this out towards the right, and then down. Let's round out the head. We're going to go all the way across, and then bring that down on top of the right cheek. Now with the face complete, let's draw on the ears. We're going to start on top of the head on the left. Start by curving this up and then out. And we'll line that up on the right. Let's dip this down and then out towards the side of the ear. Let's flop the ears along the side. So we're going to start back on the left. Just going to round this out, come down, and we're going to add a point of fur going up. Go back to the left side, bend the ear, coming down and then in. Let's go back to the side. We're going to round up the tip of the ear, come up along the side of the head, and just bend that in. Just created a fold along the inside of the ear. Now I want to tuck the back side in behind. So we're going to start from the top of the cheek, bend this out and then up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the left side, come down and then up. This is like a half circle. In the center, let's draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now we're going to add that Superman symbol. Start with a straight line coming across, and goes down and out. And I want to pull this down and in towards the center. Now I'm going to simplify the S in the middle. Let's start on the right side, come across, and then angle this down. Go over toward the left, come down, and then pull that over towards the bottom. Let's go to the side. We're going to draw the inside edge of the legs. Bend this down, and then in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now let's round out the bottom of the paws. Coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the side. Draw the top, going up. I'm going to bend that down, leaving a small gap on the inside. And then along the bottom, we're going to separate the paws with two curves. From these 2 points, we're going to step up, add a curve. Now let's add a little bit of fur texture inside the body. We're starting on the left, coming down and in. Let's add a point, come down again, and then pull that up. Now I want to go back up to the side of the collar and draw the outside of the legs. We're going to start with the left, going out and then down, about halfway. And we're going to add some fur along the outside. We can pull this up again with a short line. Let's add one more, coming down and then up. Let's bend this down and in on top of the feet. Now I want to draw the hind legs. We're going to start from this point. We're going to step up, draw the bottom of the paw, coming across with a slight curve, and we'll draw the top. We're going to go up and just tuck that in towards the side. Let's separate the paws with two curves. Just along the side, we're going to draw the hind leg. We're going to bend this out, round up the leg, and just pull that in on top of the paws. Now I want to draw the cape in behind the body, but we're going to swing it over towards the left. Let's start underneath the cheek. Start with a curve going out, down, and then up. And we'll curve this back in towards the hind leg. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Krypto from Superman. If you enjoyed today's lesson, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button because I post new drawing lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.